This is a Fingerprint smart lock with a keypad, with a phone app, with a password, with a card, with a backup key. It's got a lot of things here. In this video, we're just gonna be going over the specs, what's inside the box, and then we'll have another video on the channel installing it. Here are some measurements, but it'll probably fit your door. These are pretty universal. On the box, you have an installation video and the app, which you can scan QR code, it takes you right there. First is a little instruction manual, some more QR codes. In here, it just tells you how to set up the app and install the lock. But you'll see me do it, so remember, stay following for that. You get 4 AAA batteries. I'm not gonna show the ends, but you get 2 keys, physical keys. And then you have a bunch of key cards that you can code to the door. That is pretty sick. I mean, we have these little fobs at work where we just badge into the doors. Not as cool as the whole fingerprint thing, but I'm excited for that. We have a little accessory kit. Okay, we got a few things in here. We got this guy, which is storing some screws. We have a latch plate. We have some more hardware in here, and this is just to get the lock through the wood. And then we have a bar with the actual deadbolt itself in here. All right, you guys are, I've been holding out on you. I have, not gonna lie. Whoa, this is the lock. This is a cool color. It's like a bronze gold. I like it. There's a button right here and a little hole, which is probably a light. That is sick. I mean, this is the handle. This is gonna be what's inside the door. You can just move it like that. It's a pretty good sized handle. I don't have terribly small hands. My hands fit on it perfectly fine. All right, now you ready to see the front? I haven't seen this in person yet until now, and this looks really sick. This is it. The fingerprint reader is right here, and I love this because if you install it like this, right? When you go to grab the door, your finger is already going to be going that way anyways. Fingerprint right here, unlock the door. I love that. Great design. I mean, just imagine you're coming home, you want to grab the door handle, just boop, and then boop, and you're in. You also have that number pad, and I'm assuming if like you have a guest coming over, maybe someone who's house sitting, you can just give them a number pad if it's only like for a day or something. You can give them a little access code. It has some wire that would just go through the other side. It has the manual key part right here, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to see me install it, remember that's going to be a totally separate video. This is just seeing what's inside the kit, and I like the kit. Make sure you stay following for a bunch of cool gadgets coming up. We got a lot more that we're looking at, especially if I'm going around upgrading everything. This is technology put to good use.